Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing peach hibiscus lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious peach hibiscus lemonade, these are the ingredients: a pinch of salt, Jamaica flour, granulated sugar, peaches, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start with the hibiscus flowers. I am going to rinse them really good. And now I am ready to add some room temperature water. I am going to cover it completely, and I'm going to let it rest for 4 to 5 hours until it releases the aroma, the flavor, and the color of the hibiscus flowers. Here I am ready to make my simple syrup. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. When it comes to a boil and the water turns a little light yellow, that's when you know that the simple syrup is ready. Put it aside, let it come to room temperature. Here I have my organic lemons, nice and juicy. And with this little gadget, I am going to get all the juice out of the lemons. I need 1 cup of lemon juice. Look how delicious and how much juice these lemons have. Remember to remove the seeds. Here I have my 5 peaches. I am going to go ahead and remove the seeds. Remove the seed. Be very careful. I'm going to leave the skin on. Remember that the skin has so many vitamins and properties. So here I'm going to leave everything behind. I'm going to be very careful pulling it apart. These peaches are really sweet and tender. Just be careful. You want to obtain everything. Of course, you could put them and boil them, but then you will not have all those vitamins that the peaches have. So now I am done. I took all the pulp out, all the seeds away, and I'm ready to put them into my blender cup, my NutriBullet. I'm using this cup because I only use this cup for smoothies and for my agua frescas. I added a splash of water, a pinch of salt, and the salt is really going to bring up the flavor of the peaches. We are going to blend away for a couple minutes until it's nice and smooth. And when this is done, we are going to go ahead and put it through a sifter. You want to make sure that you put it through a sifter so that the sifter really stays with the skin of the peaches. I'm going to help myself with this. I'm going to move it around slowly so that you see what is going to stay behind. This is exactly what you don't want. In the same strainer, I am going to add the hibiscus flower. Look at this. It has changed color. It's a nice red color. Oh my gosh. This lemonade really comes out so delicious and refreshing. You guys are going to love it. Once this is done, I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to start adding. I'm going to add my lemon juice, my simple syrup, and please don't forget to add your pinch of salt. I'm adding the simple syrup, and now I'm just going to mix away. The color that this lemonade turned into, oh, just amazing. Look at this. This combination of peaches and hibiscus, just perfection made at home. I am sure that once you make it, you are really going to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. On my playlist, you will find many lemonades. Are you thirsty? Is your mouth watering? Make this amazing peach hibiscus lemonade. You are going to love it. It's so refreshing and it's perfect for this hot weather. I hope you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family, as I enjoy it here with my beautiful family. Can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I'm ready for the presentation. Enjoy! My friends, I am completely done with this amazing peach hibiscus lemonade. This is perfect for this summer. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. This combination is just perfection. Amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing lemonade, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.